sorry, y'all. I'll be using a lot of gel, so that's gel. I'm so sorry. Somebody's gonna be like, ew. I'm gonna be like, relax.
I out of my mind, looseness in my waist, not to answer shame.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute, and I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about. Welcome to a hair video. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can retwist your faux locks. I've had these faux locks in for about 2 weeks. As you can see, it's like growing. Like, it just doesn't look brand new. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I like to have my faux locks up in a ponytail like this, and I just be letting it hang. But like, you can see, you just can't see the boxes anymore, and that's starting to bother me. Like, it's just starting to look like new growth. Although like I don't really have a problem with it, I have a problem with it. So what we're going to use is the same hair that we use to wrap the hair. I will have a tutorial coming out for you guys on how I did these faux locks, and that's that. But the hair that I did use to wrap them was this hair, and each one of these things are a thing. Take one, and I'm only going to do this to the front of my head because I don't feel the need to do this to the back. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know what's bothering me? I feel like these locks would have lasted me longer if I didn't have these bracelets on, and if I didn't have these gems on my nails, because every time like they keep getting stuck. Just to let you guys know, if you guys see me struggling in the video, it's because of that. Maybe I should put some gloves on. What you want to do is take the hair and just, it comes really twisted together. So I like to just pull it down, pull it apart, and just separate it. And I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to split it in what I think is half. So I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did when I first put these locks in, and that's, I'm going to hold the hair and I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here to take this. And I'm going to grab my faux lock, and I'm also going to grab this piece of hair with this hand. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to put my knuckle right here at the very top. I'm sorry, y'all. It's gel, okay? But I'm going to take my knuckle and put it at the very top. That way, that's how I know where I want it to stay. Because if you don't put your knuckle there and you're trying to wrap, it's going to wrap all the way down here. Take both hairs. Put your knuckle at the root so that it stays at the root, and then I'm just going to and you just want to wrap it. And the reason why we take that hair, you see this is the hair that we grabbed, and that's just to keep the hair in place and keep it tight at the root. And I made that mistake of not doing that when I first started, so the hair actually started to slide down because I didn't have it tight. Like, after I wrapped it that many times, I was just going loose. But you want to just keep it tight until you get past that like inch of hair. So instead of using glue this time, when I get to the very bottom, it's like a little strand. I'm just going to go down. I'm just going to go back up the braid. So it ended right here, but I'm just going to take this strand and just wrap back up. Boom. This is the old faux lock. All we did was retwist it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'll be using a lot of gel, so that's gel. I'm so sorry. Somebody's gonna be like, ew. I'm gonna be like, relax. So you guys remember, we split the hair in half, so I'm just going to take the other half of the hair and use that on a different braid. So again, we're just gonna do the same exact thing. We're going to take the faux lock. We're going to grab the hair. We're going to put our knuckle right here, and we're gonna start to twist. Then after I feel like it's tight enough, I'm going to work my way down, still keeping the tightness because we still have this piece of hair that we want to cover up, as well as our braid. Our braid is under there too, so we just want to keep wrapping and keeping it secure. As we get to the end, you will come across a strand like this, and just wrap it back up.
Hi guys, it's Kennedy here.
You guys, so this is how, are we dark? This is how the hair turns out, and this is how you can retwist your faux locks and basically make them look like new. You see, all our new growth is hiding right now, okay? But just keep in mind that your hair will feel very tender. Oh my gosh, we're looking so much better. Yes, 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 I'm so happy about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in how I did these faux locks, I do plan on uploading a tutorial for you guys. So let me just show you guys really quick. So I used 20 inches, but it goes all the way like down here. I don't know how. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, I want you to be far away. I don't want you so close.